slip-on exhaust that I got for my 2015 Yamaha R3. Pretty good deal. I got it for I think 70 bucks on Amazon. You can check out the link in the description and you could go ahead and buy it right there. First we got the slip-on exhaust itself, the muffler. Looks pretty cool. It's got like this carbon fiber look. That's the baffle that you could take out. So, you know, part of this we'll see how it sounds when it's in and when it's out. The welding looks pretty good. That's inside of it. Next we got the R3 mid pipe. Got an exhaust gasket. So I got this on partzilla.com. Link below if you want to copy it. Basically this gasket goes in. This gasket right here will go here, and then this will clamp onto the existing exhaust, and you'll tighten it with this clamp here. This part obviously goes here on the muffler, and then also comes with some springs that'll attach this part to that, and another clamp to hold it up, and some bolts and a bracket to hold it up on the passenger pegs. Before we install this, let's check out how the stock exhaust sounds like. Thing weighs about, I don't know, 6 pounds. This one weighs like, I don't know, 2-3 pounds. I don't know how accurate this is. Just a little side comparison, the stock exhaust and the new one. We got the mid pipe here with the gasket already installed. I have to widen this opening a little bit to fit that in. But you know, once we clamp that on around, it should close it up more around the pipe. So put this right here until it bottoms out. Freaking forgot to put the clamp on. Clean it up a little bit. Take those fingerprints off before start this thing.